Tripura BJP has completed 3 years tenure as a ruling party in Tripura. Prior 3 years in 2018, a historical saffron sunrise was witnessed in Tripura, unseating the 25 years long ruling CPIM. People of Tripura, especially the unemployed youths, poor people, supported the BJP party with a lot of hope for seeing a better future. But where 3 years before, the roads were seen flooded by people supporting and congratulating the BJP for its victory. Just within these 3 years, the party itself has been divided into two factions, and majority demanding replacement of the chief minister. Moreover, the people of the state of various sections have been forced to come down on roads in protest on various issues against the BJP government. The double-engine government that came with the slogan of Cholo Paltai or Let's Change has resulted into a horrifying experience for the people in mere 3 years of governance. Under the saffron rule in the state, democracy has been continuously abused and law and order situation has completely collapsed. Starting from the destruction of Lenin statue on 3rd March 2018, the BJP has continued episodial attacks on opposition political party offices, leaders, workers and supporters, and even their families and houses have not been spared from the same. 2020 saw the brutal inhuman attack on the 10,323 teachers, which today has become the poll agendas in poll-bound states of Assam, West Bengal, etc. Even attack over the fourth pillar of democracy, the journalists have become a part of everyday life. Worthy to be mentioned is the Vision Document 2018, which gave a bunch of promises to the common people of every sector in the state. But even in 3 years of governance, none of the promises have been implemented yet. Slowly and gradually, the BJP has lost its popularity in Tripura. This owes to the weak state leaderships in all sectors, starting from Yuva Morcha to Mahila Morcha. Moreover, the division of ruling party MLAs into two groups has added to the loss of popularity of the BJP in Tripura. But amid all allegations of bad governance and mismanagement, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb did not fail to entertain the people of the state with his never-ending gaffes. Starting from claims on existence of internet in Mahabharata's time to ducks increase oxygen level in water in the year 2018 to 2021's BJP in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Harvard and MA in chemistry have become viral internationally. Bureau Report, Halabol.